Tell me something that's better for the soul than this, being on the back of a motorbike on a beautiful sunny day. Look at that sky. Not a cloud to be seen anywhere. Blue as you like. So today I'm actually heading up to a small town or overgrown village called Aldbourne, just in the north side of Wiltshire. Aldbourne in itself is a really nice little place. It's also famous for being the town where Easy Company, 101st Airborne, was stationed in World War II prior to embarking on Operation Overlord, i.e. the D-Day landings. Just coming into Aldbourne now. So the 101st Airborne were famous in their own right for their heroics on the battlefield in the liberation of France. But Easy Company, who were part of the 101st, were made even more famous by the TV series Band of Brothers. It really was an excellent series that followed the kind of training, the build-up, the deployment, and the kind of route through France, etc. in the liberation of Europe. So Aldbourne was actually used in the Band of Brothers TV series as the location for Easy Company, so that it served not only as the real location, but also to ensure they kept as much authenticity as possible. The producers decided to use Aldbourne in the TV series itself. So the Crown there, that's the pub that all the non-officers frequented while they were stationed here. And the Blue Boar, which is just around the corner, is where the officers tended to go. People such as Dick Winters, who was obviously the main character in Band of Brothers, but of course he was more than just a character. He was, I think, became captain of Easy Company throughout the campaign. Beautiful, look at that. There's the Blue Boar, look, and here's the green.
You have reached in 350 feet, turn left, then turn right.
So I think it's probably as much as we can see of Aldbourne realistically today. Just head on out now, I think. That lovely pinky purplish crop there. I don't know what it is. Lavender, something like that. Very pretty. Well, you can't whack it, can you? Tell me something that's better for the soul than this. Being on the back of a motorbike on a beautiful sunny day, riding through some lovely English countryside. No matter what's on your mind, no matter what's troubling you in your day-to-day life, just get out on your bike. You just forget about everything else. And it always works. It is the best therapy known to man. There's lots of clever little phrases, isn't there? Comparing bikes to cars. One of my favourites is you're driving a car, you're watching the movie, when you're riding a bike, you're in the movie. And another one I like is driving a car moves the body, and riding a bike moves the soul. How true that is. I've got an appointment in the pub at 5 o'clock. That can't be bad, can it? Sitting outside the pub later, in the sunshine, with a cold pint, and just spent some quality time on the motorbike. Happy days. There's Chopper's Cap. Lost that all the time. No bikes there as it's a Friday afternoon. There'll be plenty there tomorrow, you can be sure of that. Tanks crossing. Don't see that everywhere, do you? We're on the edge of Salisbury Plain here, so not unusual at all to see a tank or some other kind of armoured vehicle popping its nose out and crossing the road directly in front of you. More of that purple crop there at the bottom of Pusey Hill. Is it lavender? Absolutely no idea. Probably isn't, is it? Oh, it smells nice though. It's a really strong floral smell riding past here. Gorgeous. Yeah, I wonder what that is. Just coming back into Pusey now, so I'll park it there, I think. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.